Want to make your website look instantly stunning? Let us add some interactive three-dimensional cards. These are not just static boxes. They react to your cursor. They fade in smoothly as visitors scroll, and you can link every single card to any inner page on your site. Let us build it. First, grab the plugin. I have placed the direct download link in the video description. Click it to open the GitHub page. Download the latest zip file. Now, open your WordPress dashboard. Go to Plugins. Click Add New. Choose Upload Plugin, select your zip file, click Install now, then hit Activate. That is it. The widget is ready to use. Step 2. Open your page in Elementor. Drag a new section onto your canvas. Search for 3D card in the widget panel. Let us configure the settings. Scroll down to the Grid Cards panel. You will see a default card ready to edit. Need more? Just click Add Item. You can stack as many as you want. Inside each card, you will set the title and description. Add your social profile links below, then choose a shape theme from the drop-down menu. Every card updates instantly. Facebook or LinkedIn. Paste your profile URL. You can add as many icons as you want. Just repeat the steps. Now, pick a visual theme. You have 6 choices: Orb Glass, Chamfer Cut, Neo Surface, Cinema Wide, Crystal Facet, and Layered Stack. Each one changes the card shape, color, and depth. Pick the one that fits your brand. You can also add more cards. Click Add Item again. Fill in the new details. Watch the live preview update instantly. When you are happy with the design, click Update, save your page, and you are done. That is it. Premium 3-dimensional cards, perfect for guiding visitors to your inner pages. If this saved you time, hit like. Subscribe for more clean Elementor tutorials. Tell me in the comments which theme you chose. See you in the next video.